Let's unbox this Halo GPS collar to see what it comes with. All right, so here's a quick little flyer. Wow, that is a hefty collar. Look at the size of that thing. Bright. Now, apparently, it is a corrections collar. I've never tested it. I've never used a corrections collar before. But I think there are two underneath here. I think there's two things that give jolts. Nice strong rubber. Fully adjustable. Clip your leash in here. USB-C charging cable. USB-C to USB-C. These are the correction screws that go into here by the looks of it. That gives your dog a little jolt. That looks like a charging adapter. That must go in here. Is that a switch? No idea what that is for. Oh, okay. So this has a QR code on it. I imagine that you can assign that to an owner so that they just have to scan this to find out whose dog it is. Is there no manual? Guess not. Well, I guess you can just go to the website to figure that out. Oh, and did I mention that it also includes videos from Cesar Millan himself on how to use the Halo collar? Some people are going to like that. Man, that is a beefy collar. What's under here? Looks like you can take this off to wash it, so that'd be handy. Yeah, so this is removable to be washed. There's the collar itself. Looks like these unscrew. Yeah, just like that. So you don't have to use that portion on your dog, which is good to know. If it does have a GPS built in, that could be quite handy. I guess that's how you charge it. All right, well, I'm going to charge it. I'm going to test it, but this is just a quick unboxing video to see how it worked. Looks pretty simple, actually. Actually, it looks really well done. It's a really well made. Does this unscrew? Oh yeah, that unscrews too. So this is magnetic and just goes on like that. Make sure you don't lose it though, because that's how you charge it. And this is where the USB-C cable goes into, right there. So without this, you won't be able to charge this. Very handy. Don't lose it. Guess these two come out. This one comes out, and then you can have just a regular collar itself. Okay, so that is the Halo collar and what it comes with. Yeah, I definitely need to charge it. It's been sitting in my drawer probably for a while.